Prime Minister. Mr. Prime Minister, at the beginning we started this conversation very optimistically because Ms. Manager said that there is a strong will in the government to make some, let's say, changes, structural reforms and optimization in the public sector. And I found that even Confucius started once with the idea that where is will, there is also a path.
Well, of course, there is a lot of political will to do something in this respect, but first of all, the government is formed from three political parties, which are, of course, faced with many trade unions, many other interest groups, etc. So, political will is not, in democracy, of course, is not shaped by only one person or one political party. So, if it was dependent just me or my, let's say, Minister of Economy or Minister of Finance, it would be much easier, you can believe me. But to shape this political will, this is a very difficult procedure. It's a very difficult process. And we must go through this process, definitely. If it were so easy, then such changes would have occurred before, you can be sure. I believe that each and every Prime Minister would like to do good things for the economy, for the business people, and of course for other people in Slovenia. So don't worry, we have a lot of political will, but it's not enough just to have this will. We have to find different kind of an equilibrium within the government, within the society, and this is what we are doing right now. We're trying to find some certain consensus at a point which could be then a good starting point for the implementation. Otherwise, we will just speak again, make good plans, make declarations, strategies, and nothing will happen. So I understand your needs, I understand your, let's say, criticism, even if you want, but we must be a little bit patient now and try to find agreement on this. So we're doing this right now with you. Tomorrow I will meet some other people, and hopefully in a few months we will produce something.
So you're confident you're going to have also support in the other two parties?
I'm very confident that we will make some changes, but of course we must take into account all the limitations within the public sector, public sphere, and to be realistic when we address all these issues, because you're just one group of society who has this very clear orientation, but other groups don't think like this. You know, Slovenia, for example, people think in a very egalitarian way. They hate social differences. We are the country in which the social differences are the lowest level in Europe. We're the country where the students study a very long time. It's difficult to change this, you know, because it's difficult to find the students and the